Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. So for today's lesson, we're going to learn about angle of elevation and depression. What is angle of elevation and depression? Okay, this is one concept of angles that is very important in a land surveying because the land surveyor uses angles to determine the distance. Okay, the persons use angle between 2 points to determine the distance of that 2 points. Okay, for simple example, you can refer on page 193. Okay, let's say we have 2 points. One person here is standing. And this person sees an object at higher level, let's say a bird. Okay, this person sees a bird flying, which means a higher level, and then we draw a line of sight. A line of sight meaning this is the eyes, and then this person sees, so we have a line of sight. Okay, so this is line of sight, and then we draw a horizontal line. Okay, and then of course this to create a right angle of triangle. Okay, and then we already draw the line of sight and also a horizontal line. So where is the angles? The angle is angle of elevation. Okay, since this person sees an object at higher level, so higher level we use higher level object will create a angle of elevation. So where is the location of the angle? The angle is between line of sight and horizontal line. So this is our angle of elevation. We denote this angle with letter A. Okay, so how do we name this angle? Angle A is the angle of elevation of bird from the person's side. Okay, elevation of bird from this person. Okay, so that is angle of elevation. So what about angle of depression? Okay, we use here when a person sees an object at lower level. Let's say this is a rock, batu, ni person. Okay, he sees. So we draw the line of sight first. The line of sight from eyes to the object. So we draw. Okay, this is line of sight. Okay, and then we draw horizontal. Horizontal must start from the person, not the object. the subject, the person. Okay, so never draw this. Okay, draw from this person. Okay, this is an horizontal line. And then this is our straight line, 90 degrees. So where is the location of the angle of depression? Is always between line of sight and horizontal line. So the angle of depression is here, at between horizontal line and line of sight. So we name it as B. Okay, so for angle of depression, it at lower level. It creates angle of depression. Sorry, DEP. Okay, so how do we explain this? Angle of B is the angle of depression of the rock from the person's sides. Okay, so this is the two concepts that you need to understand. What is the angle of elevation and also the angle of depression? First, you must create the line of sight and then the horizontal line from the subject towards the object. Okay, so again, how do we name it? The angle is angle of the object from the subject. Okay, so that's all for today for the angle of elevation and depression. So your homework will be on self-practice 8.3e on page 194. I will leave it on the WhatsApp for you to answer the questions. Thank you very much.